It's important to understand global cyber trends and regulations because cyber incidents are not contained to one region. They are global. There's no border control in relation to cyber incidents. So what happens in one region can have an impact in another region. One of the concerns for global companies is the risk that they get caught up in class action litigation in the US, even if they operate in, say, France or Germany. Companies who have US data subjects can be exposed to class action litigation, and we've seen more of that in 2022 than we have in any previous year. It's not enough to be well versed in what goes on in your own region or your own territory. Our insureds need to understand the world stage and the implications that data privacy laws have across the globe, or work with experts who do. We are tracking a few market-specific trends. For example, Australia is a hotbed of activity. There's an increase in data breaches generally, and that is partly due to increased regulation by the regulators, media interest in data breaches generally. We're also tracking a new law in France, which is going to require mandatory reporting of any cyber events to the police within 72 hours of discovery of the event if they want to make a claim on their insurance policy. So in Europe generally, the war in Ukraine has brought into sharper focus the sanctions regime, but it feels slightly closer to home in Europe than it does in other parts of the world. Certainly the sanctions regime and how it applies to ransomware claims means that the handling of those claims is more complex than it used to be.